So welcome to this video. Today in this video we are going to discuss about that top 5 or 6 Zoom tricks, Zoom tips that will help you to stop Zoom bullying. So in the recent past we are using Zoom meetings a lot after this pandemic situation arrived, and we all want a safer way to handle Zoom. With the increasing usage of Zoom, the increasing bulliness, or to say the increasing number of Zoom trolling methods to troll teachers, either officials of meeting, are increasing. So we have to decide something by which we can control all these. So trust me guys, it is very easy to hide your identity on Zoom meeting. It is very easy. So the only way you have left is to have tackle those Zoom meetings is to just avoid them, just stop them from doing those by not allowing them to do anything. Having the total control up to you is the only last option that you can do. So I know that these things are new for everyone, so we are going to share some tips which will help you to conduct a issue-less Zoom meeting, issue-free Zoom meeting. So I hope you will like this video. We are going to discuss about 5 to 6 points in this video, and this video is especially for all those teachers and official managements who are conducting online meetings using Zoom in this pandemic situation. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's get started by this video. So first of all, let us open Zoom meeting. So I'm already installed in my desktop, so just open this. No, today I'm not going to teach you how to create a new meeting, how to join a meeting, how to assign a meeting. No, we are just going to discuss about tips. The first half of the video will be about security tips before the starting of meeting, and the last part will be about security tips after the starting of meeting, means the meeting is going, then what you can do. And at last there is going to be a special tip which you will not know, I can assure you, but after watching this video you will get to know about that. So for scheduling a meeting, you just click on schedule, and here all the things are there. So there is your topic and all those, but the main things lies here: advanced options. So the first thing you should do is enable waiting room. This will allow you to access that who can come inside a Zoom meeting or who can go, who cannot. So the total control upon entering a Zoom meeting is up to you. Even if someone enters with someone else's name, then it might happen that he can create trouble. So just that I will discuss later, that how you can tackle that. But before moving on to the next step, just be sure you have enabled the waiting room. And after that, don't allow to join before host, because they can bully other students also. If host is not there and they have joined the meeting and they are waiting, and they can bully other students also, other officials also. So what you can do is just uncheck this and mute participants upon entry. If participants are creating mess by their voices, by playing unnecessary sounds, then you can use this. And automatically record meeting on local computer. Well guys, this will act as a sense of proof. If repeatedly you are getting harassed or repeatedly you are getting bullied on Zoom meetings, then you can just enable this, and this will help you guys to keep a proof of whatever set is happening here. So all these are there, and be sure participants videos are turned off unless you want to see them. And always use a new meeting ID, never use personal meeting IDs, because this will be same. So even if we haven't sent the link of to that person, he can enter in the meeting. So these were the things. Okay, so let's schedule this meeting. Now a browser will open in front of you once you schedule this meeting. Just to sign in using your Gmail account and allow. Okay, after this, let me show you the next steps. So just go to settings and just go to view more settings. Okay, so what you have to do is, here the same are there, but some with excess security features. Okay, so you can see waiting room, and after that require a password. Be sure to turn both of these on, and require a password for instant messages. instant meetings, and require a personal meeting. You should be disabling this, and embed passcode in invite link for one click join. If you wish, you could enable this, or if you wish, you can't. Okay, it's totally up to you. And the major trick is here: only authenticated users can join meeting from web client. This will help you. Only the authenticated website users, means the email ID users, if you have authorized that, they can only enter into the meeting. No other can enter into the meeting. Okay, so join before host all are disabled. Okay, so here you can see chat. If they are sending you unnecessary messages using chat, so just disable this. Okay, so disable chat meeting, and also keep on disable the private chat. If someone want to talk to you, he can easily talk by mic on. Okay, so file transfer should always be turned off, because unless you need something, and screen sharing is on, so just disable this. Who can share? Only host can share here. Okay, so these all tricks were there for handling before a meeting is getting started. Now what about meeting has already started? So let us start a meeting. So once a meeting is started, there will be something like this in front of you. So what you have to do is just participants tab. There will be participants, so no one else is here, so that's why it's not showing anything. So just close this, and under participants you can remove anyone very easily. Okay, so under security tab, this is the main thing. So allow participants to rename themselves. Just uncheck this one. If someone renames and then harasses, and unmute themselves if you want, then only. If they are harassing you by turning on mic, so just do this uncheck button and just lock the meeting once all of them have come. If anyone else wants to come, they will ask permission from you, then only they can enter. Okay, so guys, these all were the tricks for using Zoom meeting very safely. So I hope you will like this video, and be sure to hit the like button and share this video with all those who are facing difficulties while using Zoom meeting, who are getting harassed while using Zoom meeting. And lastly, I would like to say you that we are going to drop some new videos soon, so stay tuned on our channel.